Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you students. Please join the class very fast. Today we shall deal with the last topic of inspection and quality control, that is acceptance sampling. Acceptance sampling is the last topic that we will cover today. The concept is pretty simple. It is nothing very complicated. In the first class of inspection only, we had dealt with the concept of acceptance sampling partially. Now we shall deal with it in details. It is a statistical method of adopting a technique whether to accept a lot or to reject a lot. I repeat, it is a statistical technique that is adopted to decide whether we will accept a lot or reject a lot. Now, out of the whole lot produced, if 10% sampling is not possible, in last to last class we had talked about various types of sampling. One was 10% sampling, one was a sampling. 10% inspection, one was sampling inspection. So if 10% inspection is not carried out because of various reasons, maybe because of fatigue, maybe because of it is of very high cost, maybe because of destructive sampling, whatever it is, if 10% inspection is not carried out, then what we do is we carry out sample inspection. And sample inspection is done to achieve a result, that is whether to accept the lot or to reject the lot. This procedure is called acceptance sampling. Out of the whole lot, you select a standard. Say, for example, if you choose 1,000 products and you set up a standard that this much, if the number of defectives is 5 out of 1,000, up to 5 out of 1,000, then you will accept the sample. If the number of defective is more than 5 out of 1,000, you will reject the sample. So you have to set up a standard first, that what is your standard. We will come to the different terminologies. So you take up a sample, you find out how many defectives are there. If defectives are more than your specified limit, you reject the sample. And if a defective is less than or equal to the specified limit, you accept the sample. This is called acceptance sampling. It helps to develop a good relationship with the consumer. It helps to understand your quality process better. So it has got plenty of advantages. Now, there are few terminologies. There are two terms specifically which comes into my picture when you talk about acceptance sampling. One is average outgoing quality. Average outgoing quality. It is the number of defectives by total number of items in the lot. Average number of defectives by total number of items in the lot into 100. That is AOQ, average outgoing quality. So what is your average outgoing quality? Is average number of defectives in the lot by total number of units in the lot into 100. That's expressed as a percentage term. So that is AOL. And the next is AQL, acceptance quality level. It is determined at a specific point. As I told you, that what is the level at which you accept the quality. At what quality level you accept the product. That is the acceptance quality level. Beyond that, if it goes, if the quality is better than that, that is number of defectives is less than that, you accept the lot. If it is more than that, you reject the lot. That is the average acceptance quality level. Okay. Now, this brings up 4 cases into picture. As in statistics hypothesis testing, we have seen in our previous semester, we have talked about hypothesis testing. We have seen there are four cases in picture. One is you accept a good lot, that is, you are right. You reject a bad lot, again, you are right. You reject a good lot, that is, you do not let a good lot go to the market because of wrong sampling. Not wrong sampling, because of sampling error. You reject a good lot, that is producer's risk. And number four is you accept a bad lot, that is consumer's risk. Now, what is producer's risk? Please understand. Producer's risk is that risk that you accept or you send to the market that lot which is defective. You send to the market that lot which is defective. Is it clear? And producer's risk is, and consumer's risk is you send to the market, you don't send to the market that lot which is not defective. You assume that the thing that you're sending to the market is defective, but actually it is not defective. So these are the two kind of errors that you can take, that can take place in your journey.